Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing your birth year to your followers in X. By sharing your birth year, you can give your followers a glimpse into your age and create a stronger connection. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, locate your birthday information. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Within the birthday settings, you'll find the option to select the year. Tap on Year to choose the display of your birth year. Step 8. Select your followers from the available options. This will make your birth year visible only to your followers. Step 9. Take a moment to review your changes and ensure that your birth year is set to be displayed to your followers. Congratulations! You have successfully shown your birth year to your followers in X. Your profile will now reflect your age, allowing your followers to have a better understanding of your journey. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show your birth year to your followers in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.